let me show you how to hard reset your Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you want to basically wipe everything from this watch and do a hard reset basically, so maybe if you want to sell it, return it, or give it to someone else, or restore some settings, we can basically swipe up like this and click the settings here. So click that and then simply swipe all the way down till you see this system options. So click that and we have this reset button here, and if we click that, it will basically ask to, if we are sure, and then simply press this. Okay, so, and it will take maybe a few seconds. By the way, all your data on the Mi Fitness app will still keep there basically. So you actually won't lose anything if you do this. So, and again, if you want to pair it, so for example, as you see, if I already had that Mi Fitness installed, it will pretty much pair itself instantly. So that's actually pretty cool. Or again, you can simply go to your Play Store on your new phone and download the Mi Fitness app and pair it maybe with a new phone as well. And yeah, that's how I do it on this watch. Anyway, good luck.